Okay, up north, this is how we do it. It's called feeding a raven. There's the raven, right there. You can see his fat ass sitting on that twig. And we're going to feed him this piece of shit right here. So, go! Fetch! He has become fearless. That's right. And that's the face of greed. That is the face of greed. Give me more, he says. Give me more. I'm hungry. Give me more. Alright? Here is more. I'm hungry. Give me more. It's good, he says. Yes, it's very nice. It's very nice. I love it, but I need more. So here we give you more. Oh, look at more. More for the face of greed. You can't even eat it.